Alright y'all, here's a video of this brand new Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. This is a Crosswind 2 52 inch. I got this at Lowe's last Sunday. Yeah, this is in my dad's room, his man cave. They just call it his man cave, not like a man cave, just where his TV and his couch is and all this stuff. But we need a fan for here, so we got this Harbor Breeze Crosswind 52 inch. Now, unfortunately, there's the fan itself, and here's the remote. Now, we got it Sunday, then my uncle came to install it Monday, which I didn't forget to make an install video. I couldn't because I was too busy working on it, and it took him about 2 hours because he had to run some wiring up in their attic over there. So yeah, basically that. Yeah, it came with there's the top of it. Came with 3 lights. It came with the light kit. Yeah, here's the ceiling fan itself, and here's the remote. Gotta turn the light off for you real quick. You can, if you hold this down, you can dim the lights too. See? Let's turn it back and put it back on bright. There it comes back to bright. There we go. Now, unfortunately, the reverse switch is up. It is not on the remote, so see, there's a reverse switch right there. You have to change it on the fan itself. It doesn't. It's not on the remote. But now so that's the light that turns it off. That turns it on. That's low. That's medium. That's high. So we're gonna go ahead and start up on low. Here we go. There we go. See this fan? There's you can put it on a wall controller, but there's no pull change. It's just on this remote, so you gotta be careful. I don't want to lose this remote because that would be bad. But basically, it's a really nice fan. It's pretty quiet. Has a quiet motor. It's a really nice fan here. It's a really nice fan. And I'm gonna turn it. I'll come over here. Now we can. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm gonna turn it up to, that's low, and turn it up to medium. Now it blows a little more air on medium and high, but it blows less air on low. But it blows it blows more air on high, but it's really nice. There's the fan. Alright, that's medium. And I'm gonna turn it up to high. And here it is on high. Show you the top of it. There's the top of it. Oh, that feels good. It blows more air. Now it blows more air on high. Turn the light on. There we go. The lights, those are like candle lights that dim. They can dim. They are dimmable. But if I had LED bulbs in here, they wouldn't dim. So I'm not going to put any in this fan because this is a new one. But it's really nice. It's pretty quiet. Blows cool air. It's really nice. It's a nice fan. Yeah, this is a new, once again, this is the Harbor Breeze Crosswind 2. This is the one with the remote. They do make some with pull chains, but this one came with the remote. A really nice fan. Well, that feels good. Alright. And I'm gonna turn it off. The blades are easy to put on. You just push a little thing through here like that, and you just twist it like that. There, you're locking. Like you didn't have to even put screws on the blades, but the blade things, the metal things, but like that. Here, I'll show you real quick. See if I can stop. And if you notice like that little thing right there, you just twist it. They're easy to come off to clean. Yeah, so that's that. And I'm gonna put it back on low because that's where I found it. Turn the light on one more time. I'll dim it for you one more time. There's 3 bulbs in there. And I'm gonna turn it back to high. Turn the light back bright, and then that's gonna be it. There you go. See, that's how the lights come on. Alright, so that's the light. And there you go, that's the fan here. I now have 8 ceiling fans in my house, so this is the 8th ceiling fan. Now, until then, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this. Until then, that's gonna be it. Hope you all enjoyed. That's it.